Uniform Civil Code, Balancing Unity, Diversity, and Justice. Welcome to another episode. In today's episode, we dive into the highly debated and politically charged topic of the Uniform Civil Code, UCC. The Law Commission of India has recently called for views and proposals from the public regarding the UCC. Let's understand what the UCC is and explore its benefits, challenges, and important cases related to it. Segment 1. What is Uniform Civil Code? The Uniform Civil Code, often referred to as the UCC, is mentioned in Article 44 of the Indian Constitution, which is part of the Directive Principles of State Policy. However, it's important to note that these principles are not legally enforceable but are meant to guide the state in making policies. The UCC proposes to replace the personal laws of various religious communities with a common set of laws for all citizens. Currently, different personal laws govern various religious communities in India, resulting in diverse legal frameworks. For instance, the state of Goa has a UCC, known as the Goa Civil Code, while the rest of India follows different personal laws based on religious or community identity. Segment 2. Challenges in implementing UCC. Implementing the UCC in a country as diverse as India comes with several challenges. One significant challenge lies in the diverse personal laws and customary practices that exist across various religious communities. Each community has its own set of laws and customs that govern civil matters, making it difficult to find a common ground and achieve uniformity. Additionally, resistance from religious and minority groups who view the UCC as a threat to their religious freedom and cultural autonomy further complicates the matter. The lack of political will, consensus, and apprehensions of communal tensions pose additional hurdles. The practical difficulties and complexities involved in drafting, codifying, and harmonizing the personal laws also cannot be overlooked. Segment 3. Benefits of UCC. Despite the challenges, proponents of the UCC highlight several benefits that it can bring to Indian society. First and foremost, it can promote national integration and secularism by creating a common identity and sense of belonging among all citizens. By removing the disparities and discriminatory practices, the UCC can also ensure gender justice and equality, granting equal rights and status to women. Simplifying and rationalizing the legal system, modernizing outdated practices, and upholding constitutional values are among the other potential advantages of implementing the UCC. Important cases related to UCC. Several landmark cases have shaped the discourse around the UCC. In the case of Shah Bano Begum v. Muhammad Ahmad Khan, 1985, the Supreme Court upheld the right of a Muslim woman to claim maintenance from her husband, highlighting the need to remove contradictions based on ideologies. In the Sarla Mudgal v. Union of India, 1995, case, the Supreme Court emphasized that a Hindu husband cannot convert to Islam and marry another woman without dissolving his first marriage. The Shaira Bano v. Union of India, 2017, case declared the practice of triple talaq as unconstitutional, calling for the regulation of Muslim marriages and divorces by enacting a law. Segment 5. Way forward. Moving forward, it is crucial to strike a balance between unity, diversity, and justice when considering the UCC. Unity should prioritize creating a common ground without erasing cultural diversity. Inclusive discussions and deliberations involving various stakeholders such as religious leaders, legal experts, and community representatives are necessary to ensure the UCC's legitimacy and fairness. It is essential to avoid reactive culturalism while reforming cultural practices and aligning them with constitutional standards. This process should involve the active participation of Muslim clergy in reforming Muslim personal law, identifying discriminatory and oppressive practices, and considering progressive views. It is important to approach the UCC from a constitutional perspective, upholding the right to cultural autonomy while aiming for cultural accommodation. Article 29, 1 of the Indian Constitution protects the distinctive culture of all citizens. Muslims should question whether practices like polygamy and arbitrary unilateral divorce align with their cultural values and focus on achieving a just code that promotes equality and justice. Conclusion. The Uniform Civil Code continues to be a highly debated and complex issue in India. It aims to bring uniformity in personal laws while addressing challenges related to diversity, religious freedom, and gender justice. While there are significant challenges in implementing the UCC, including diverse personal laws, resistance from religious and minority groups, lack of political consensus, and practical complexities, it also offers potential benefits such as promoting national integration, gender justice, simplifying the legal system, and modernizing outdated practices. Striking a balance between unity, diversity, and justice is crucial in moving forward with the UCC. Through inclusive discussions and careful deliberations, India can aspire to achieve a just and inclusive legal framework that upholds the constitutional values of equality, fraternity, and dignity for all its citizens. That brings us to the end of this episode. We hope this discussion has shed some light on the complexities surrounding the Uniform Civil Code in India. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful episodes in the future.